And the brush is just a basic brush, no particular brand, just one that I picked up. And the good thing about line and wash is that it's free flowing and you haven't got the constraints that some of the other mediums have. By the way, if you hear a noise in the background, it's my dog Snowy, Jack Russell. So here I am, just going along and painting the colours. Now, the paper I'm using is actually a sketchbook, because that's all I've got, but I have ordered a proper watercolor sketchbook, and it should be here any day now. So it's probably better to get something that will take the water. But this one here, I'm not sure of the brand, but it does a good job. So I can't complain about it. I've just got a small container of water there just to dab in the brush every so often. And you can see how easy it is. So in my opinion, anybody can do it. Now, you don't need to worry about going over the lines. In fact, that's what I've done here. I've just gone over the lines. And so it's just a matter of sometimes you'll go over the lines, and I noticed this in this one, there's a wee bit of green up here. Which I'm going to put in. And there you are, that part's finished. There might be a little bit of green in the background as well, so I'll just put the rest of that in the background. I missed a wee bit of the branch there. So You don't have to start, you don't have to go from one part and just carry on from there. You can move around to whatever parts you feel like doing at that time, as I'm doing here. I'm selecting colours that are close to the picture, the reference photo, but they're not exactly the same. Because there's such bright colours in this bird. So quite amazing colours, really. And so what I'm going to do is just run those colours down there, and there's a wee bit of black down in the tail area there, which I'll just put that in there like that. So we're going along very well. There's the feet and the legs. The dog's making another noise in the background, as he does. Rolling on the mat. That's his favourite mat. He likes to roll on from time to time. Now, I'm changing the colour now. These paints have gone a bit, a bit hard as watercolours do. But as soon as you add some water, then they're hydrated again, and away they go. Now, this may not be the best drawing in the world, and I don't intend it to be, but I wanted to give you an idea just how easy it is to use pen and wash. That with the few tools that you need to start off, there's no excuse really not to get into it and make a start. I've just decided to add some water there I've got a bit too much water on my brush, never mind. See, that's the beauty about it. I mean, I can put the sky in. I've got all these colours here, most of the colours I need for everything that I need. I don't need any other colours really. So I'll water down the blue for the sky and just put that in there. Just add that in there like that. And there you are. Maybe I'll put a bit of foliage down here. Like that. And Bob's your uncle. And there it is. So I'll make that do. And I hope that you enjoyed it and got something from it, because I wanted to show you how easy it is to do it. And so I hope that you will subscribe and like, and if you have a comment, that would be most appreciated too. Anything that you've got to say or add to the story. And there it is. So until next time, cheerio for now. Bye-bye.